Markets don't move in straight lines, they move in cycles. And once you understand that, a lot of what feels chaotic starts to make a lot more sense. A market cycle is the repeating pattern markets tend to follow over time, periods of growth, followed by periods of slowdown, followed eventually by recovery and growth again. This isn't random. It reflects how economies, businesses, and investor sentiment naturally rise and fall in response to changing conditions. Generally, market cycles move through four broad phases: expansion, where economic activity grows, confidence builds, and prices tend to rise; peak, where growth starts to slow even though sentiment often remains strongly positive, which is exactly why peaks can be difficult to recognize in real time; contraction, where activity pulls back, uncertainty increases, and prices typically decline; and trough, the lowest point of the cycle, where conditions eventually stabilize and set the stage for the next phase of expansion. Recognizing these phases doesn't mean predicting exact turning points. No one can consistently do that. But understanding which broad phase a market is likely in helps you interpret price behavior with more context. It also helps explain why strategies that work well during expansion often underperform during contraction, and why adapting your approach to conditions matters more than following one fixed method, regardless of the environment. Markets are cyclical by nature. Understanding that rhythm is one of the most valuable shifts in how you think about long-term market behavior. Subscribe to FluxPointEdge for more breakdowns on how markets actually work.